Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting everything together. The Xbox 360, its power brick, the right video cable, and a controller with batteries. Once done, turn both devices off so connections seat cleanly and safely. Plug the power brick into the console and a wall outlet, then connect the HDMI or component lead to the corresponding TV input. Match colors for component. Make sure cables are fully inserted. Loose plugs cause flicker or no signal. Finally, place the console where it gets airflow and won't overheat. With the console connected, power on the TV and choose the input you used. Then start the Xbox 360. If you used HDMI, allow the TV to auto-negotiate resolution. Otherwise, manually select 480p, 720p, or 1080i to match the cable and TV capability. Next, sign into your profile and open System settings to verify display and audio output. This ensures game menus and sound route correctly. Make sure now confirm everything works. Navigate the dashboard, launch a game briefly, and check audio levels and picture quality. Sync your controller by pressing the guide button and pairing if it doesn't connect. Install any system updates to avoid compatibility problems. If the image is cropped, tweak TV picture size or overscan. And if you see no signal, don't panic. Reset cables, test a different HDMI port or cable, and power cycle the TV and console. This simple handshake reset fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.